Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I am Sandy Williams. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the sector is slowly rebounding after the country welcomed over 434,000 visitors in December and raked in $474 million. It represents a 33% decline compared to the 645,000 recorded for December in 2024. Mr. Bartlett says Hurricane Melissa disrupted the sector. However, following an assessment, visitor arrival is expected to increase this quarter as more hotels race to complete repairs which will influence travel.
Recovery program, we have about 7 or so properties still to come back on stream. I'm having discussions with our stakeholders with regards to timelines, and I'm anticipating a contraction of some of the timelines as the repair work is moving at pace.
Minister Bartlett warned, however, that external shocks may also disrupt the forecast. He says the recent invasion of Venezuela by the United States didn't directly affect flights to Jamaica, but the tourism minister says Jamaica remains vulnerable to geopolitical tensions.
That there are going to continue to be disruptions. So we must build capacity to anticipate them, to mitigate, to manage, and to recover when they hit us, and to recover quickly, and to thrive afterwards. And Jamaica is in that mode. And so we are preparing ourselves for eventualities that may have geopolitical implications.
On the stock market, the JSE index advanced by 1,333 points, while the junior market index declined by 9 points. The winners include West Indies Petroleum Terminal, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Knoxford Express Services, Paramount Trading, and Mayberry Group. The losers were led by Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Consolidated Bakeries, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, and JMMB Group 8.5% US dollar shares. 28 stocks traded firm. In foreign exchange, trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.63. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.35. The pound is going for $212.72, while the euro is selling for an average $184.83. And that's the Financial Week. I am Sandy Williams. Good evening.